guys, we're back with another video, and this time we are in Surabaya. On this trip, we're going to volcanoes of Java. So right now we're heading up to our first volcano, which is actually the volcano of Bromo. The roads up here is really windy, as you can see, and you really can't see the cars that is in front of you. I'm just really thankful that my Pak Supir was very mindful in the way he drives. He always gives like a horn or two just before he makes a turn. So I'm really thankful, Pak Supir. If you're interested in the photographers and also the company that I use to Bromo, do stay tuned to the end of the video. We're currently en route to our hotel up the Bromo mountains. It's really a scary ride, guys. After that long and windy road, we finally arrived at our hotel, and this is where they brought us to relax and have a welcome drink. So sorry for a very dirty cam because the road up here is just so rocky that I didn't even have the time to clean my lenses. So the lounge area consists of very comfortable seats and also a welcome drink that really warms your body after that windy road. Right after checking in, my family decided that they wanted to go to this cafe called Bromo Hillside Cafe, and I don't know why they even planned it, but it was the worst decision ever, guys. The sky was really gloomy and the road up there was very misty, so I'm not even sure if our driver could actually see what's in front of him. It was super misty. So before stopping at the Bromo Hillside, we decided to go to Pasir Berbisik and also Savannah, as it's along the way towards the cafe. This was around 1 or 2 p.m. I'm not so sure why there's not many cars along with us. Probably it's because it's lunchtime. Everyone's just enjoying their bakso. So here we are at Pasir Berbisik, and you can see there's a lot of stalls here that you can eat and choose to eat your bakso. There's also horses that you can ride up to Bromo, and it's just really nice environment, guys. We did a short photo taking at Pasir Berbisik. Legend has it that the sand will whisper to you, Berbisik. We've arrived at Savannah, and over here you can see the Bukit Teletubbies, which looks like the Teletubbies. And here we're en route to our cafe finally. There seemed to be a slight drizzle over here, and we were quite worried because the cafe is an outdoor cafe and we're worried that it starts to rain. Oh, look at those dark skies. Anyways, we still went up, and the mountain view is really beautiful from here. Loved it. We finally arrived at the cafe, which is called Bromo Hillside, and the reason why it's called Bromo Hillside is because it's literally at the edge of Bromo. As we climbed the most daunting steps, we were greeted with a lot of flowers, so really thankful for that and the cool environment. I was heavily panting the moment I reached here, so I grabbed myself a bottle of water and some light snacks that you are entitled to. Did you see that? There are more steps for you to climb to go up. The steps below were just a teaser for you. Anyways, jokes aside, here we are on top of the Bromo Hillside. View is very nice. You can see the whole of Bromo from here. But please bring a jacket up and don't be like me who didn't. And I was freezing. We're back at the hotel with a room tour, and this is where we stayed. I would say it's a really cozy stay over here. It's big. You can put all your copers. Pretty sure you can even do ballet in this room. There's Netflix, there's Disney, there's YouTube. It's basically a smart TV, and everything is included. So this is the view from our hotel. It's really nice and misty out there. So what we did is we did not even turn on the aircon because there is an aircon, but we didn't turn it on. We just used the natural con by opening the windows. Wow, just look at that. A very beautiful view of the Bromo Hillside. It's the next day, and we woke up at 2 a.m. to go for our Bromo sunrise tour. This was already at 5 a.m. and the sunrise is just starting to rise. My tour guide Mas Dani actually recommended us to go for Bukit King Kong because I think the perahu was just a bit too high for my family. For those who are traveling with elderly, you might want to try Bukit King Kong instead of the Bukit Perahu. To get the best shots, you literally have to fight for your place. Please be mindful and careful of your steps, as there is no barrier and safety nets. We headed back the next day, and we stumbled across this beauty called Coban Rondo Waterfalls. The view is mantap boy. Here we are heading to our next volcano destination called Mount Semeru, and we're taking a jeep up to the lava areas where we're having a lava tour. I underestimated how cold it can get, so those going for a lava tour, don't forget to bring your jackets. This was the view that we were greeted with once we are about to start our lava tour. So there were a lot of paddy fields, and also the freshness of the air is amazing over here. Right now the temperature is pretty low, but as you go for the tour, it can get pretty hot, just like the one in the video here. It's starting to get pretty sunny over here, and yep, this is another photo spot that we'll be taking our pictures soon. With this tour agent, you get professional photographers, as you can see in the video. Just for your information guys, this area is super muddy, so be careful. Yes, I tripped on that.